Today, we're going to discuss a pivotal case in the study of civil procedure law, International Shoe Company v. State of Washington. This 1945 United States Supreme Court case profoundly shaped our understanding of personal jurisdiction. Facts: International Shoe was a Delaware corporation with its principal place of business in St. Louis, Missouri. However, the company had a significant number of salespeople operating in Washington state. The issue arose when Washington sought to collect unpaid unemployment insurance contributions from International Shoe, and the question was whether Washington had jurisdiction over the company. The central issue in International Shoe was whether the state of Washington could exercise jurisdiction over International Shoe, given that the corporation was neither incorporated in Washington nor had its principal place of business there. It hinged on the understanding of presence within a state. The decision and rule. The Supreme Court, in a decision written by Chief Justice Harlan F. Stone, ruled in favor of Washington. The court replaced the outdated physical presence standard for establishing jurisdiction with the minimum contacts standard. According to this standard, a defendant, such as a corporation, need not be physically present in a state for that state to have jurisdiction over it. Instead, the defendant must have minimum contacts with the state such that the maintenance of the suit does not offend traditional notions of fair play and substantial justice. Analysis. The court found that International Shoe had systematic and continuous contacts with Washington through its salespeople, who resided in the state, solicited orders for its products, and enjoyed the benefits and protections of Washington's laws. These activities were neither occasional nor casual, which made it fair and reasonable for the state to exercise jurisdiction and require International Shoe to contribute to the unemployment fund. Significance of the case. International Shoe Company v. State of Washington marked a significant shift in the understanding of personal jurisdiction. It adapted the legal framework to the changing dynamics of commerce, moving away from the rigid physical presence requirement, making it more practical in the context of a growing national and international economy. This case remains the touchstone for personal jurisdiction and is frequently cited in cases involving jurisdictional disputes. The minimum contacts principle has been interpreted and reinterpreted in numerous subsequent cases, shaping our current legal landscape. Conclusion. So, when you think of International Shoe, remember that it revolutionized the way we understand personal jurisdiction. It introduced a fairness-focused approach, balancing the rights of the defendant and the interests of the state. As law students and future lawyers, the principles established in this case will be vital to your understanding and practice of civil procedure law.